What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Barbecue Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers.
How y'all doing?
We appreciate y'all coming back and chilling with us and, seeing how to do the different things that we do. All right? We really appreciate you. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share the videos with your friends, families, co-workers, church members, whoever it may be. Go ahead and shoot it to them and show them, what we're doing, okay? So today, bro, we're going to get into some East Carolina, the North Carolina, that eastern part of Carolina.
Okay.
We're going to
East
get in.
Carolina.
Yeah, we're going to get into their sauce because they don't like the ketchup-based sauce.
They don't like ketchup-based sauce.
Yeah, so we've done. That's right. So we've done the Alabama white sauce.
Mm-hmm.
We've done that South Carolina gold, the
Carolina
base.
gold. Yeah, I remember that.
So
that was
today,
pretty good.
yeah. So today we're gonna show you our version, that word version of
East Carolina,
that Eastern North Carolina sauce. All right. So, but before we do that, of course, we gonna what you got for us today, man?
Oh, this is the best part of the show right here. Is me. All right. Today we working with some Wellers. All right. Yeah, see, I'm still on the high end of things, Right now, I've been doing my job well, so they've been paying me pretty well in drinks.
Yeah.
But I'm going to see if that's going to continue through the next couple of months.
I don't know.
Right.
After your homecoming weekend, you kind of fell off, so you might be back to LTD next week.
I ain't above it. It ain't shame. All right, so today we got this Weller Special Reserve, okay? This comes from the Buffalo Trace line of bourbons and things of that nature from Kentucky.
Mm-hmm.
All right, it's about 45% alcohol volume, so that's around about 90 proof.
Yeah.
All right, it's pretty good. To the nose, you're gonna get hints of caramel, hints of cherries. On the faint end, you might catch a little trace of apple in there. All right?
Apple? Okay. What kind of cherries?
It just cherries.
The bar
man.
cherries, or is the high price cherries?
I'm not a cherry aficionado, so I don't know. I don't think it's the ones in the jar they put in the little martini that you like. But anyway, yeah, they got cherries in it, a little cherry flavor. All right, to the palate, man, you're gonna get some soft notes of oak. Whatever oak may taste like, I ain't never been on a piece of oak wood or anything.
Tastes like wood.
You got oak, hints of little chocolate. And then you're going to taste a little bit of orange in this, okay?
Okay.
All right. And you can see it's aged for about any kind of time it's special reserve. It's either like 4 to 7 years age. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. But yeah, this is another one, man, that'd be paired nice with a nice cigar. Another one that you probably just don't want to give the average drinker coming to your party any of this. You want to give this to somebody that's really going to actually appreciate it and sip it. Those average drinkers may grab it and want to chase it with a Sprite or chase it with a Coke or something of that nature. This is made just strictly for sipping, straight up neat. You may want to drop a piece of Cuba ice in it at the most, you know what I mean? But other than that, just drink it neat. All right. Without further ado, we're going to do this thing.
All right. So, like I said, we're gonna get into the East Carolina sauce, but first we're gonna hit this this Weller. Smells delicious. Smells wonderful, man.
Make sure, we normally leave the bottle, but I should make sure I take my bottles when I leave from these sets.
Because those are your checks. All right, well, here's to you guys. Weller Special Reserve.
Normally we sip it, but I'm gonna just kill it today.
Not me.
All right. Ooh, let's get into this. The finish. It's nice, got a little spicy hit it, but it's still mellow.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it'll get you if you try to drink. Yeah, it'll get you if you try to shoot it fast. Back in the throat.
All right,
let's get into this sauce.
We're gonna get into this sauce then. All right. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is get you 3 cups distilled white vinegar.
Distilled white vinegar.
Yes, sir. You're just gonna pour that in just like so.
Okay.
All right. The next thing I'm gonna pour in is brown sugar. Okay.
All right.
That's 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. Right
4 tablespoons.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Next thing I got, 2 tablespoons kosher salt. Just gonna pour that in.
One thing I know, you didn't eyeball these measurements. You probably had to have the spoons with the label on them to tell you what it is.
Nah, man, I eyeballed it. I eyeballed it. Don't get it
Whatever.
twisted.
All right.
2
Okay.
tablespoons or a little bit more of hot sauce. It don't matter what kind of hot sauce you use. I used Louisiana hot sauce.
Okay.
Yeah, that's one of my favorite hot sauces.
There's plenty of hot sauces out there that they can use. Use your favorite.
Yep. Now I got 2 tablespoons. Oh, excuse me, 2 teaspoons of black pepper.
I thought you eyeballed it. You should have known them.
You see what I did? I put the big eye, put the eye on it. Dang,
Come on,
I had
man.
to look at it.
What else we got there?
Now I got about 4 teaspoons, maybe 5, of these crushed red peppers.
Well, so you want to put a little spice on that thing?
I'm gonna put some spice on it. You can't
Okay.
get it too spicy for me. You know I like it hot. I like it a little spicy.
Yeah, it's not barbecue if it ain't got a little kick to it.
That's right. And guess what? While you tripping, we done diced up some habanero peppers and stuck them in the mason jar already with the seeds.
Oh, okay.
So we ain't gonna play with
You're
it.
gonna kick it up a notch.
Kicking it up another notch. That's the word stamp. Stamp on it.
The word
All right?
way.
So once you do that, you just gonna take this, you're gonna mix it all together. Alright? And what you're gonna do is, you're gonna mix it. You don't have to put this on and let it simmer or nothing. We're just gonna mix it up real good. And then we're gonna get it in these jars. And guess what? We're gonna let it sit for about, I say, anywhere from 12 hours to about a week.
Okay.
But of course, the longer that you let it sit, the better that it gets.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna keep on giving this a mix, giving it a mix.
So pretty much in East Carolina, they're very vinegar based, right?
It's a good vinegar-based sauce.
All right.
All right, and you're gonna want to let it sit. Like I said, you're gonna want to let it sit for a while and do its thing.
Let it
All right?
marinate.
Let it all marry together inside that fridge. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So come on in here and take a peek at that. All right, bro. So I'm gonna just keep on stirring this like this. Get it all mixed together pretty good.
Yeah, I hear you talking.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna pour it up. We're gonna get in these mason jars. Come on in here and take a peek at this for me.
Man, I'm kind of upset
Why you upset?
because I was sitting here and I heard y'all backdooring me, man.
Now we back door you, man. What you
The
talking about?
producer said, we gonna split this. I was like, wait a minute, okay. They splitting. And then I look out, he said, we already got 2 mason jars out here. But there's 3 of us on this show, right?
Yeah.
So where my mason jar at, man?
Right down.
Man, no. I ain't gonna keep going for this, man. Y'all don't feed it. Man, they just give me liquor. I can't get it. They don't get no samples of none of the food, man. It's rough around.
Well, you gotta get I'm gonna tell you what you gotta do then. Let me tell you what you gotta do. We can make this easy. Tell your people to call my people. Cause your people negotiated drink. I negotiated all 3.
No.
You just want to negotiate the one. And that's why earlier this year on one of the episodes I told him I found you on the side of the house, you were laying out.
No, don't worry about it. We'll talk about this after, because after a while it's gonna be Skip featuring BbqBourbon and Blues.
Well, you can't do that either. But like I told you once before, get your people to call my people, and we'll make something shake.
And your people office hours is what?
9 to 5.
Man, he ain't even supposed to be talking behind the camera. See, that's what I'm talking about right there.
So, all right. So I'm just gonna grab these. We're gonna give them a good shake.
Okay.
All right. And then, like I said, I'm gonna set them in the fridge, and I'm gonna let them things sit and do their thing for about a week.
I think he trying to get over on you, producer. He ain't eyeballing it right.
Nah, I bought it right. Don't worry about it. See, you can't be causing this in between my contract You need to get yours right. Now I can help you renegotiate if that's what you want.
All right, man. Let's
All right.
get it
All
ready
right,
down here.
so hey, listen, we really appreciate you tuning in to
Definitely.
another episode of Barbecue Bourbon and Blues with the Word Brothers. We did this this Eastern
Carolina.
It's part of North Carolina. It's in the Eastern region. They love this vinegar-based sauce.
Okay.
This is our version of it. So we gonna see what it do. I don't want to taste it right now because tasting it right now do it no justice. So when you make it, you're gonna make it and you're gonna shake it up, stick it in your fridge every day in the morning when you wake up for work. Shake it up before you go to bed that night. Shake it up, let it sit there, and in about somewhere between 4 to 7 days, go and get you a taste of it and tell me what you think in the comments, all right?
All right. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel.
That's right. All right. Thank you for tuning in to another episode. We love y'all. Peace. Let me grab this.
Put my chick down.